Pass to Atega. Atega to natural. Rebound Atega. 2 points. Saka mo, action pa na yun.
Fourth quarter.
Dito ko.
That's a pass. There's a steal on Brabante. Martinez with the ball. Martinez pass the ball. That's the shot from number 17. Flores with the 2 points. 47-46. Balik ang lamang sa team action para yun. That's Onyesa with the ball. Onyesa with the pass. Almeñana with the pump fake. Rebound. Atega for the rebound. Kick out pass. Parabas with a jumper. Rebound Almeñana. 2 points. 47-48. Martinez with the ball. Martinez. Pass the ball to number 17. Flores. Right away. Nugget rebound. Brabante. Brabante with the ball. Brabante puts it up. Rebound. Atega for the rebound. Natural. Natural with a drop. Natural. Natural. Rose ball. Almeñana. There's a pass. Parabas nugget rebound. Almeñana. There's a packet pass. Atega nugget rebound. Palpen. There's Palpen with the ball. Onyesa moves out. Martinez with the ball. Martinez with an attempt. Almeñana with the ball, get to Laurio. Taken away by Comedor. That's Comedor with the ball. Comedor, pass it out to Brabante. Brabante dropping inside, puts it up. The good rebound of Brabante. Brabante puts it up. Gets a basket with a foul. Basket count. Foul number 3. Natural. Second foul natural. Bonus throw on Brabante. 49-48. 1 point lead. Action para yun. Rebound on Comedor. Ginamot to Brabante. That's Brabante with the ball. Brabante. Seven minutes. Parabas. Holds the ball. Natural. With the ball. Drop the ball to Balben with 6 minutes and 45. Balben, stop and pop. In and out. Rebound on Comedor. That's Natural with the ball. Natural. That's number 11 with the ball. Comedor with a touchdown, 2 points. 51-48. Reserve. That's a pass to Atega. Atega to Natural. Rebound Atega. 2 points. 51-50. Martinez with the ball. 6 minutes. Flores, 2 points. Timeout. Dim time. Isa na. That's a pass. Almeñana. There's a steal. Flores. That's a 2 points. 55-50. That's a pass. Parabas with the ball. Substitution. Parabas moves out. Kasi inbound to Almiliana. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Atega, jumper, short. Rebound Almiliana. 2 points. 55-52. Martinez to Flores. Number 69 possible to number 11. Rebound to number 5, Atega. Substitution. Lauri moves out. Four minutes and 29. Martinez kag Brabante hamula ng bilin. Comedor, Balvin, and Flores moves out. Natural. Berball, pass the ball. 10 to shoot. Almiliana with a floater. Rebound with a tip. Taking the ball by Martinez. Martinez, nugget, rebound, Tinay. Kinapus. Tinay. Nugget, rebound, number 3, Onyesa. Onyesa with a finger roll. Rebound, Orda for the rebound. Scaba for the ball. Brabante taking the ball. Brabante with a pass. Valenzuela with a steal. That's Lalagona with the ball. Lalagona. Martinez. Martinez. Fake. Pass. 3 minutes 25, 55, 52. Tululang ang lamang sa Action Barayon. Ang steal. Orda. Jumper again, repeat is a miss. O, doon na kilapit. Symbol. Three minutes. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. Tinay. Odds it up. Foul number 3. Onyesa. First foul, Onyesa. Two minutes and 47. Second row. 57-52. 5 ang inahabol ng team Dem Time. Natural. 10 to shoot. Onyesa. 3 points. 57-55. Baba sa dalawa. Ang lamang ng Action Barayon. Tinay with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Martinez. Orda. 5 on the shot clock. Taken away. Last 2 minutes. Foul on number 69. Fifty-seven, 56. Then lock at 57. 1 minute 55. 1 minute 50. Drop the ball. Tinay with the ball. Tinay with a jumper. Rebound on Ortega. Pasa mo to Natural. Natural with the ball. 1 minute and 30. Natural. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Natural. With a pass. 5 on the shot clock. Versus still on Tinay. Tinay pass the ball to Martinez. Martinez wide open. Lagona gets the 2 points. 59 to 57. That's number 10 with the ball. Almiñana with the ball. Almiñana. 1 minute remaining. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Natural pass the ball. Almiñana with the floater. Again rebound. Ortega for the rebound with 50 seconds. Onyes over the shot. Orna for the rebound. There's a pass to Martinez for a touchdown. 2 points. Timeout. Dim time. 61 to 57. Wala na kawang timeout. Dim time. 20 seconds. Natural. Jumper na good. Rebound. 30 seconds. Lagona. With the ball. Tinay. 22 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Martinez to Tinay. 5 on the shot clock. Does the jumper from Orna, a good rebound with 10, 9, 8. 8 seconds. Foul number 10. Almiñana. 13 foul pa lang. 13 foul. 8 seconds. On the 4th quarter. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the end of the game. The score is 61 to 57. Won by the team Aksyon Panayon.